Soil pH is very important for healthy plants. It acts as a fundamental factor that influences the overall health and growth of your garden. Whether you are growing vegetables, flowers, or shrubs, understanding soil pH can make a significant difference in the success of your plants. pH tells us how acidic or alkaline the soil is. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Values below 7 indicate acidic soil, while values above 7 indicate alkaline soil. Most plants thrive in a slightly acidic to neutral pH range, typically between 6 and 7.5. Plants need a balanced pH to absorb nutrients from the soil. When the pH is within the optimal range, essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are readily available for uptake by the plant roots. This balance ensures that plants can grow strong and healthy, producing vibrant flowers and bountiful harvests. When the pH is off, plants can't get the food they need. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, certain nutrients become locked up and unavailable to the plants. This nutrient deficiency can lead to poor growth, yellowing leaves, and reduced yields. They become weak and more susceptible to diseases. Just like humans, plants have immune systems that can be compromised when they are not getting the proper nutrition. A plant that is struggling to absorb nutrients is more likely to fall victim to pests and diseases, further hindering its growth and productivity. Just like we need a balanced diet, plants need balanced soil. Think of soil pH as the foundation of a plant's diet. Without the right pH, even the most nutrient-rich soil won't be able to provide what the plants need. It's like trying to eat a healthy meal with a stomach that can't digest the food properly. They need nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These macronutrients are essential for various plant functions, including growth, flowering, and fruiting. Nitrogen is crucial for leaf development. Phosphorus supports root and flower growth, and potassium helps with overall plant health and disease resistance. These nutrients are like vitamins for your plants. Just as vitamins and minerals are vital for human health, these nutrients are indispensable for plant health. They ensure that plants can carry out photosynthesis, build strong cell walls, and produce the energy they need to grow and thrive. But if the pH is too high or too low, the plants can't absorb these vital nutrients. This imbalance can lead to visible signs of nutrient deficiencies, such as stunted growth, discolored leaves, and poor flowering or fruiting. Regularly testing your soil pH and making necessary adjustments can help ensure that your plants have the best possible environment to grow in. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline something is. It runs from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral. Anything below 7 is acidic, and anything above 7 is alkaline. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic soil pH between 6 and 7. However, some plants like blueberries thrive in more acidic soil. Knowing your soil's pH is the first step to creating the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. Testing your soil's pH is easy. You can use a pH meter or a soil test kit. A pH meter is a small device that you stick into the soil. It gives you a digital reading of the pH level. Soil test kits are available at garden centers. They usually come with a small tube, a testing solution, and a color chart. You mix a soil sample with the solution and compare the color to the chart to determine the pH. Dolomite lime is a natural rock powder. It's made from crushed limestone and contains calcium and magnesium. Gardeners use it to raise the pH of acidic soil, making it more alkaline. Calcium is important for strong cell walls in plants. Magnesium helps plants produce chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Dolomite lime provides both of these essential nutrients while also adjusting the pH. Section 5. The magic of dolomite lime. How it neutralizes acidity. So, dolomite lime neutralizes acidic soil through a chemical reaction. When you sprinkle dolomite lime onto your garden soil, it doesn't just sit there. It starts to interact with the soil particles almost immediately. This is where the magic begins. The calcium and magnesium in the lime react with the acidic components in the soil. These elements are crucial because they replace the hydrogen ions that make the soil acidic. Calcium and magnesium are like the knights in shining armor, coming to rescue your plants from the tyranny of acidity. This reaction, you see, neutralizes the acidity and raises the pH. As the calcium and magnesium ions take over, the soil becomes less acidic and more neutral. You might even notice a change in the color of your soil, indicating that the pH level is rising. But this process takes time, so don't expect an immediate change in your soil pH. The chemical reactions happen gradually, and it might take a while for the full effects to be visible. Patience is key here. It might take a few weeks or even months for the Dolomite lime to fully work its magic. Over time, you'll start to see your soil becoming healthier and your plants thriving. The wait is worth it, as the benefits of neutralized soil are long-lasting. Your garden will thank you for the extra care and attention. Healthy soil means stronger plants, more vibrant flowers, and better yields. The calcium and magnesium not only neutralize the acidity, but also provide essential nutrients that help your plants grow. So, while you're waiting for the pH to balance out, know that your garden is already on its way to becoming a lush, thriving paradise. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a race. The use of Dolomite lime is just one of the many steps you can take to ensure your garden's success. With time, patience, and a little bit of magic, you'll see the transformation unfold right before your eyes. Happy gardening! Section 6. Applying Dolomite lime, a step-by-step guide for gardeners. Applying Dolomite lime is easy. First, test your soil pH. If it's below 6, you may need to add lime. Follow the instructions on the bag for the correct amount to use. Sprinkle the lime evenly over the soil. Then use a rake or cultivator to mix it into the top few inches of soil. Water the area well to help the lime start working. Section 7. Dolomite lime versus other soil amendments. Why choose Dolomite? Dolomite lime is a great choice for raising soil pH because it's natural and long-lasting. It also provides calcium and magnesium, which are important for plant growth. Other options include wood ash or hydrated lime. However, wood ash can be inconsistent in its pH-raising abilities. Hydrated lime works faster but can be too strong for some plants. Section 8. Reaping the rewards, the benefits of balanced soil pH for your garden. Balanced soil pH leads to healthier, more vibrant plants. Your plants will be able to absorb nutrients more efficiently, leading to stronger growth and higher yields. You'll also see fewer problems with pests and diseases. A balanced pH creates a healthy environment that's less hospitable to pests and diseases. Section 9. Maintaining balanced soil pH long-term tips for a thriving garden. In this section, we will delve into the essential practices that will ensure your garden remains healthy and productive for years to come. A thriving garden is not just about planting and watering, it requires ongoing care and attention to detail. Once you've balanced your soil pH, it's important to maintain it. Soil pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline your soil is, and it can significantly affect plant health. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH range, typically between 6.0 and 7.0. Regularly monitoring your soil's pH will help you catch any imbalances early and take corrective action before they impact your plants. Test your soil pH every year or two and add lime as needed. Lime is commonly used to raise the pH of acidic soils, making them more alkaline. It's important to follow the recommended application rates based on your soil test results. Over-liming can lead to nutrient imbalances, so always apply lime carefully and in moderation. Adding organic matter like compost can also help to buffer the pH and keep it stable. Compost improves soil structure, enhances nutrient availability, and promotes beneficial microbial activity. Incorporating compost into your garden beds not only helps maintain a balanced pH, but also enriches the soil, providing a healthier environment for your plants to grow. Remember, a balanced pH is a key ingredient for a healthy and productive garden. Consistently monitoring and adjusting your soil pH will ensure that your plants have access to the nutrients they need to thrive. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants, which in turn leads to a bountiful harvest. With a little care and attention, you can create the perfect environment for your plants to flourish. Regularly check your soil pH, add lime and compost as needed, and always be mindful of your plants' needs. By following these long-term tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a thriving garden that brings beauty and bounty to your home year after year. Looking for where to buy your Dolomite lime today? Then visit our Agric for Profits marketplace at www.agricforprofits.com and click on the marketplace to visit our organic market to purchase your Dolomite lime. Don't forget to always visit our official website at www.agric4profits.com for more information. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.